Oof. Let's take a coffee break. Are you thinking about studying or moving to Canada? You have probably heard the big dreams like high paying jobs, PR pathways, and a better life. But the real question is it actually worth it in 2025? So today I'm going to break down everything you need to know. Best universities, scholarship, part-time jobs, and real living cost, and a shocking update on Canada's immigration rule that might affect you. Trust me, you don't want to miss all these details. So let's get started. Best universities and colleges in Canada for students, but which one is right for you? University of Toronto, Canada's top university but super expensive. Ideal for engineering, business and medicine. University of British Columbia, amazing scholarships and diverse student life. McGill University, Montreal-based, world-class education and slightly cheaper than Toronto University. University of Alberta and University of Waterloo, known for strong research and co-op programs. Conestoga, Seneca and Humber colleges, affordable and job-focused with high PR chances. Pro tip: if you are looking to save money and get PR faster, colleges are often better option than universities. Many students get high-paying job through co-op program. I personally got my first job through my co-op program. The true cost of living in Canada, and can you afford it? Let's talk money, because Canada is not cheap and you need to know what you are getting into. Living in big cities like Toronto, Vancouver, Calgary and Montreal, rent would be $2,000 to $2,500 for one bedroom. Groceries would be $300 to $400 per month and transport will be $100 to $150 per month. At the same time, if you are living outside cities like Kitchener, Brampton, Windsor, Calgary suburbs, the rent would be $1,200 to $1,800, way more affordable. Groceries would be $250 to $350 per month and car expenses would be $300 per month, gas plus insurance. Want to save big? If you are moving with family, the smaller city equals to lower rent plus better job options in warehouse, delivery and factories. Easy local jobs in Canada without stress. No experience needed. What if you need to get a job fast? You don't need to be a software engineer to get money or job in Canada. Here are the best paying stress-free jobs. The first one would be the factory jobs. It pays $18 to $25 per hour and it is PR friendly. Cab driving, Uber and Lyft, $20 to $35 per hour, but you need a car. Third one would be delivery jobs, Uber Eats, Amazon, Skip the Dishes, flexible hours and good pay. Warehouses jobs, $17 to $22 per hour and great for new immigrants. And retail and supermarket job, simple and it pays $16 per hour. Fact: many students make $1,000 to $1,800 per month just doing weekend jobs. How to study in Canada for free? Scholarship for students. Tuition fees in Canada are insane. But what if I told you there is a way to pay nothing? Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship, full tuition for PhD students. The second one, Ontario Graduate Scholarship OGS, it's available for Masters and PhD students. UBC International Leader of Tomorrow Award, it's high achievers can study for free. University specific scholarship, check your university's website. Tip: apply early because these scholarships disappear fast. Student life in Canada versus your home country. What's the difference? Be ready for huge culture shock because Canada is not like your home country. No sir ma'am culture. You call your professors by their first name. Less rote learning. More assignments, group projects and real world skills. Everyone works part-time. Students here earn their own money. The fourth one, winters are brutal. If you are from Mumbai or Chennai or coastal area, prepare for minus 30 degrees Celsius. Biggest adjustment, you will cook, clean, do laundry and pay your own bills because no one will do it for you. Highest paying part-time job for students. Yes, you can work while you study, but what job actually pays well? Tutoring, $25 to $40 per hour if you are good at math, science or English. barista and retail jobs, great for networking plus customer service skills. Freelancing, graphic design, video editing and content writing pays really well. Delivery jobs, $20 to $30 per hour and you choose your own hours. Tip: many colleges have paid co-op programs, so choose them for better job placement. 2025 update. What's changing for students and immigrants? Well, here is the part no one talks about and it might shock you. Canada is reducing student visas, more restriction on study permits. Job market is getting tougher, more competition and fewer part-time jobs. Living outside big cities is a smart move. Smaller cities are growing and have better opportunities. Plan your finances carefully. Don't move without knowing real cost. Second thing, start networking early. More jobs come from referrals. Third thing, be ready for culture shock. Canada is different, so be open-minded. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel to know more about the Canada real life updates. And if you got any questions, drop them in the comment box and I will answer them all. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any important updates. Thanks for watching. It's Aarti Khajuria and I'll see you in the next videos with more updates. Until then, stay informed and take care.